Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your web browsing history on the Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, of viewing your browser history. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Google Chrome web browser, and then select the three-dotted menu icon up at the top right corner. Go ahead and left click on that, and you want to go down and select the history button, and then select history. Please note that you can tap the Control and H key combination as well on your keyboard to launch the history settings here as well. Pretty straightforward process here, guys. You can search your history up here as well. You can delete certain items in here if you choose to do so, and then just select the delete button up at the top right, and then you would select remove. You can also select by group here as well. So for different web pages, for example, you can see that it sorts by group. So it might bundle certain web history searches together. So pretty straightforward process on that. And if you wanted to delete your browsing history, you can select the clear browsing data button over here on the left, which will direct you to another web page within the Chrome settings window. And you can select the time range you want to delete, and then you would select clear data. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.